Yes, study. Please take this dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes, start. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would request the members present here in this house that agriculture should be treated as an industry and it should be brought to the level of industry because no industry in this country has matched agriculture. But we could not do the economic justice to agriculture till today, despite the fact that our farmer is so much tolerant. He never complains. He has always supported the national cause and he always supports the high principles of our great leaders. But now the time has come, modernization of other industries in the country is taking place. Electronic industry is coming up and we are manufacturing very sophisticated electronic machinery. In the same way, we must make agriculture also the most sophisticated and scientific industry. If we can take proper care of agriculture during the coming 5 or 10 years, its production can easily be increased. Sir, if we are producing less food grains, it is because of the wrong policies adopted. By adopting effective policies in the field of agriculture, the agricultural production can be doubled. We will have to take certain decisions if we want to introduce mechanized farming. A decision must be taken with regard to the lands which come under cultivation and the other lands. The farmers get very little or no facilities for soil testing. My suggestion is that there should be soil testing laboratory in each block headquarter so that farmers can get instructions from the specialists easily. So far as the schemes for small farmers are concerned, I am sorry to say that schemes are prepared but they vary from district to district in respect of the size of land. In this matter, the administrative machinery is responsible for this to a great extent. If proper irrigation facilities are provided to the farmers, if technology is modernized, and if the farmers are provided with good quality seeds, our production will be increased and there will be no shortage of food grains. Time has come when we must tackle the available resources. We must promote these resources for our agriculture to the maximum possible extent. Sir, the sugar factories must be licensed and we should have the benefit of the various byproducts that go side by side with sugar production. That is one reason that we are considering to give licenses to sugar factories so that with the manufacture of sugar, these factories could as well produce the other byproducts. I have seen in the foreign countries that along with sugar, the sugar factories are producing other byproducts like alcohol, wax and chemicals. They manufacture paper also along with the sugar. So unless we are convinced that with the installation of one sugar factory there will be so many other byproducts that will be produced, we should not allow a sugar factory to run. These sugar factories must do so and then only a sugar factory can become economic and farmers would be interested in starting sugar factories. Stop and over.